Dead, not sick, not old, just suddenly collapsed and died. The villagers relaxed. They said, God finally freed us from him. But the real problem started the next day, at the funeral. When the men gathered to wash the body, they unwrapped the cloth, and what they saw froze their blood. Marwan was smiling, not a small smile, a wide one, like he was still alive, like he was mocking everyone. The man preparing the body stepped back, shouting, "He's not dead, he's awake." But there was no pulse, no breath. He was